Hi guys, welcome to Tactim channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to use OBS to record screen and audio. So let's go to the OBS first. Then you have to click on the sources option. Click on plus. You can see the plus icon here. Click on this, and then you'll find here display capture. Choose display capture and click on OK. Click on OK again. Here it is display capture, and click on again the plus icon. Then you'll find here audio input capture. Click on audio input capture, click on OK, and now you have to click on this drop down menu and choose your audio input capture or audio device. If you click on default, it will be default. If you click on microphone, you can choose the microphone here. Okay, now click on OK. Now you have to go to the settings, click on settings, this one, and you'll find this output here. Click on output, and then you can see the video vibrate. You can change the video vibrate here. You can change the audio vibrate here. Okay, you can change the video encoder. You can change the recording path. This is the recording path. You can change it by clicking on browse, and you can make it anywhere on your computer. And then you can see here MP4 format. You can change it to MP4 or flash video, FLB, MOV, anything you can. Okay, after doing this, you have to click on apply, then click on OK. Click on OK, and then you have to click on start recording. If you click on start recording, your recording will be started. So this is how you can do this, guys. If you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.